Yo, did you hear that? I got a weird noise coming from the front end. I'm gonna check it out real quick. Dude, I think I got a bad wheel bearing. I don't know what to say. I have 4 tires. I have 4 perfectly good tires, and I'm gonna f them up and drill holes in them and fill them with spray foam in the Home Depot parking lot. Yeah. Getting my dump truck in there. I don't know where the foam is. Do we get the expensive stuff or the cheap stuff?
How much do you think this video is going to make on AdSense?
YouTube doesn't pay me, so I guess we're gonna go with the cheap. How many cans of foam do you think we need for 4 tires?
A lot.
Do you want
Big gap filler?
big gap filler? Nah, I'm not fucking on tonight.
Oh.
Ooh, let's do the little gap filler. 1, 2. I think 2 cans is good. 10, 18, 12, 14, 16. I gotta count them again. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. That'd be 4 per tire.
That should be plenty.
You think?
I hope.
All right, let's go check out.
Ooh, I'm going to get myself a Coke. Thank you. 16. Well, you saved $7.
Oh, cool.
No, we're chilling. You should go buy some more.
Would you like an e-receipt? Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
Oh no, how will we get it in a tire?
Don't poke at the Goodyear logo.
Money. Great stuff. Shake well. Always wear gloves and protective eyewear. This is dumb. Big air companies don't want you to know this one simple trick. It's gonna take a lot longer than I thought. Tire patch kits are a scam. We ran out of foam.
Thank you for shopping at the Home Depot.
We're gonna tag team it. We're gonna shove these in all 4 holes at once.
You notice the big gap can's black? They can fill bigger holes than we can.
4 tires are now filled up with spray foam. A lot of spray foam. A crap ton of spray foam. Each tire has 6 cans of this and 1 can of this. It's quite a bit of foam. See you guys in a few days once it hardens and we get them on the truck. It's been 3 days for me, but 2 seconds for you. The tires are now full of foam and fully hardened. And now we're gonna mount them on my 9,000-pound truck. They might work. I don't know, let's get them put on. Take my jack for a walk at 2 a.m. Moment of truth.
Alrighty.
Oh? I mean, it's not flat. It might work. Pimp down.
Oh, Lord, pimp down, pimp in distress.
Oh, bingo, I got action.
Remember, always use your impact as a hammer.
Wait, this is an impact?
Oh,
This was a battery operated hammer.
yeah, no, it's a battery operated hammer.
Oh, okay.
But it also has that function, though, if you wanted to use it. Yeah.
When she asked you where you learned to do that thing? Let's do a dramatic drop. Ready? We're just gonna fucking send it.
Ooh. Ooh.
And this is the lighter side too. I think we're cooked, chat. We gotta do the fronts. If it's any constellation, these are also P tires. Those are F rated. So, DOT, turn the video off now. Ugh. That one looks really bad.
Oh, ew, you just fart, dude. Oh, do it again. Oh, that's nasty, dude.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! It's so bad. All right, one more. Look how tiny the tires are.
See how fast you can get these off.
I'm not ready.
Time you.
I'm not ready. Stop. Stop. I'm not ready. Stop. I'm not ready yet.
Starting right now. Two seconds.
You versus a guy she told you not to worry about. It's weird. They literally tell you right on the can, this is made for tire inflation. Crazy. When I hit 1,000 subscribers, I'm gonna sue Great Stuff. Whew. Moment of truth. Oh.
So.
How much you say you wanted for it? These are gonna D-bead right here in the road. They're just gonna shred right off.
You think so?
Now we're just gonna go drifting on wheels. It's almost as flat as Lainey Wilson's ass after Ozempic. I'm not off the curb.
Oh.
Not gonna hop the curb. That wouldn't have happened if you wouldn't have tinted them damn windows. Flat tires leave me feeling deflated. I can smell the foam! It's supposed to be in there. Flat tire jokes be popping. So the question was, can I ride on foam-filled tires? I tell you a joke about a flat tire, but it won't hold air. Yes, but not well. I still think we 50% made it work because it's only flat on the bottom. It's still fine right here. See, it's not flat up top. I did it. You don't have to. You're welcome. Terrible idea. Never do this. It's not supposed to be like that. It's supposed to sit right here. Right?
Yeah.
It's not supposed to be like that. Oh, I know what's wrong. We put foam instead of air. That's why I did that.
Oh.
Wait, this is for air?
Oh, that's
Dude, I thought that was for foam.
that explains what that thing is then.
Oh my god.
So I think you put the thing on there.
Yeah, and you're supposed to.
Oh.
I thought that was the sound of the foam can going.
Yeah. I thought that was only in the movies. I didn't know that was a real thing.
Bro.
Man. Wow.